Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to stop Facebook notifications from reaching your email. We start by opening Facebook and clicking on our account icon. After that, we enter the top settings and privacy icon. After that, we enter the notifications option. Then, we scroll and enter the email option. Here we will be able to deactivate all those notifications that we do not want to receive by email. Finally, if you receive any emails, you can configure the frequency of emails you will receive. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.